have Darren handing over the Google Nexus 7s to our ambassadors.
Hi guys, right, okay, these are Google Nexus 7s. I've taken the liberty of putting them in their cases so they're just protected basically, so they're just a bit better for them. I've asset tagged these and recorded all serial numbers so they've been assigned to you. They are fresh out of the box, so I've not booted them up. I'm going to leave that up to you guys to do that. Also in the box comes with a micro USB to standard USB with the charger as well, so you can charge it or you can link it to a computer basically. So all you have to really do is boot these up and put in all your details.
Okay, the ambassadors are going to be using these devices to experiment with our Google Hangouts, Google Sites that we're trying to establish with staff and learners. So they're going to be at the forefront of pushing the college forward in using this technological area.